Can you say hi, camera? What you doing? You sitting in the bumbo seat? Look at your hair. It's all sweaty. Can you say hi? Say hello. You found the string. Don't pull the camera. Don't pull it. Say hi. Can you say hello? No, you're not going to talk. You're just going to pull on the string. Wait. Wait.
Friday. I'm going to watch the DC. You got to take 2 people.
Okay, be quiet.
What?
I'm recording her.
Oh.
Got the Easter bunny. See? There you go. Give her a hug. You're not going to talk today, huh? You're not going to talk? You gotta grab the string. Bye-bye. Can you wave? Say bye-bye. Wave. There you go. She's trying to wave. Say bye-bye. There you go. Look at her. Look at her. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. She's trying to do that earlier today.
She just did it.
I started trying to do that earlier.
Laugh. Okay, I'm going to say bye-bye. You disturbing me.
You having a good time?
Ready? She's too smart. She knows that you're doing something. Why are you looking so light? Ready? Stand up. Come on, be strong.
Why she sit back like that?
Ready? Okay, we're gonna fall. Ready? She ain't doing it.
She done. It's a wrap. No more laughter. No more jokes.